Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 15, 2021, top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Recently, who has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Nepal? Answer: KP Sharma Oli. KP Sharma Oli was again appointed Nepal's Prime Minister by President Bidya Devi Bhandari on Thursday after opposition parties were unable to put together a coalition government by the 9 pm deadline. Second question. Who has become the first woman finance minister of Assam? Answer: Ajanta Neoj. This is the first time in Assam's history that the post of the finance minister was allotted to a woman. The 46-year-old Neoj is a law graduate from Guwahati University. Third question. Name China's Mars spacecraft which has landed on Mars recently. Answer: Taiwan 1. A China National Space Administration CNSA lander from the Taiwan 1, which has been in orbit since February, touched down on Utopia Planitia, a large plane in northern hemisphere of Mars, on Saturday at about 7 am local time, according to reports by state media CCTV. Fourth question. Name the first cyclonic storm of this year which is traveling along Indian coast. Answer: Tokte. The name Tokte has been given by Myanmar which means gecko. This is going to be the first cyclonic storm of this year along the India coast. Fifth question. Who has been appointed as the independent director on the board of Wipro? Answer: Tulsi Naidu. Wipro has appointed Tulsi Naidu Chief Executive Officer Asia Pacific Zurich Insurance Group as an independent director on the board for 5 years with effect from July 1. Sixth question. Who has launched a mobile app for journalists of India? Answer: N.V. Ramana. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana launched a mobile app on Thursday to enable journalists to report virtual proceedings without having to visit court premises amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Seventh question. When is International Day of Families celebrated? Answer: May 15th. May 15 is observed as the International Day of Families by the United Nations. The International Day of Families was proclaimed by UN General Assembly in 1993 so as dedicated the whole day to families and appreciate their importance. Since 1994, May 15 is celebrated as the Family Day. Eighth question. Which Indian American woman has become the senior advisor of President Joe Biden? Answer: Neera Tanden. The Biden administration has announced that Indian American Neera Tanden, who had withdrawn her nomination to lead the Office of Management and Budget amid bipartisan criticism, will now join the White House as a senior advisor to President Joe Biden. Ninth question. Which state's government has set up oxygen concentrators in its every district? Answer: Delhi. New Delhi. Oxygen concentrators banks have been set up in every district in Delhi to give a boost to the fight against coronavirus, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said today. Coronavirus patients in home isolation can ask for home delivery of these oxygen concentrators at their doorstep. 10th question. PM Narendra Modi has released 8th installment of financial benefits under which scheme? Answer: PM Kisan Yojana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday released the 8th installment of financial benefit over Rs 20,000 crore to over 9.5 crore beneficiary farmers under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme via video conference. 11th question. Who has won Whiteley Award 2021 for his Biodiversity Peace Corridor? Answer. Y. Nucleoform. A church worker named Nucleoform from Nagaland has won the Whiteley Award, and also known as Green Oscar, for his effort to create a network of community-owned forests in the state and protect the rare Amur falcon. This is Amur falcon. 12th question. Which company allows vaccinated shoppers workers to go maskless? Answer. Walmart. Walmart, the world's largest retailer, said Friday that it won't require vaccinated shoppers or workers to wear a mask in its US stores unless state or local law says otherwise. Which country has launched the 8th group of 3 Yagan 30? Answer. China. China launched the 8th group of 3 Yagan 30 satellites on May 6, 2021 from Xiangcheng Satellites Launch Center in southwest China. This is 8th group of Yagon satellites that will be joined in 7 previous group in the orbit that had been launched in 2017. 14th question. Who has been appointed as the Indian ambassador in Suriname? Answer. S. Balachandran. The Ministry of External Affairs informed on Thursday that S. Balachandran has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Suriname. Currently, Balachandran is the Consul General of India in Jaffna. 15th question. How many units of OxyCare system will be procured using PM CARES fund? Answer. 1.5 lakh. PM CARES fund accords sanction for procurement of 1,50,000 of OxyCare system developed by DRDO. The PM CARES fund has accorded sanction of procurement 1.50 lakh units of OxyCare system developed by Defense Research Development Organization at a cost over Rs 322 crore. Questions for you. What is the rank of India in ICC test team ranking? Second question. Himachal Pradesh government will produce free treatment for corona under which scheme? If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.